Hey, welcome back to another LMS segment where we just want to thank you for last Saturday. We gave over 500 backpacks and school supplies to 500 children. We just want to thank everybody who showed out. Sylvia Garcia, our congresswoman, was here. Ed Gonzalez, our sheriff, was out here also. Lone Star HCC, the dean of Lone Star was really impressed with what we were doing here in our real estate, our tax, and our insurance business, and how we're helping people become realtors, insurance agents, and tax specialists here at LMS. And we created that training course. We also had our book, and everybody was really impressed of what I wrote in the book, what I had to say about certain people in 1931 whose businesses were taken away, their autos were taken away, their money were taken away, and they were set in concentration camps called ghettos. Never in my wildest dreams would I have expected what happened in El Paso. Our prayers go out to all those individuals in El Paso, and I commend Trump for having the courage to go out there and visit those individuals. Our heart goes out to Ohio, to everybody who got hurt or killed, and to all those families. We just want to send our prayers and our condolences to each and every one of them. Again, my book is talking about the times that are coming, what will be happening, and I told a lot of individuals, put your assets in an LLC, a corporation, because if you're here illegal, you bought a home illegal, you bought a car illegal, you set up bank accounts illegally. But the minute you create an LLC or corporation, you are now a legal entity that we can protect your assets. And so far this week, we've gotten many calls of creating LLCs and corporations, because again, DBA is the worst way you can work here in America. And after 25 years of working as a DBA, I realized all the money that I was paying in taxes that I could have legally avoided by being an LLC and a corporation. Get the book, it's on Amazon, get it today. If you haven't got it, come see us at Hopper Road, 3800 Hopper Road, and you can get a copy here. And don't forget, you can become an LMS member and get the book at a discount with all the discounts of all our services and products. Until next Saturday, we'll see you soon.